In Pakistan, the journey of immunization began in 1976 with a pilot project introducing 6 vaccines: BCG, polio, measles, diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. The project expanded nationwide in 1978 to become what we know today as the Expanded Program on Immunization, EPI, under the banner of the Federal Directorate of Immunization, offering free services against vaccine-preventable diseases. Today, the Expanded Program on Immunization targets nearly 7.5 million children annually with life-saving vaccines. Over the years, new vaccines have been introduced. Hepatitis B vaccine was introduced in 2002 and the pentavalent vaccine in 2009, offering protection against several diseases. Continued progress saw the adoption of the inactivated polio vaccine, IPV, in 2015, and the typhoid conjugate vaccine, TCV, in 2019, followed by the introduction of the measles rubella MR vaccine in 2021. Marking Pakistan's commitment to fortifying its defenses against prevailing public health threats. The focus remains on increasing routine immunization coverage to control and eliminate diseases. Our aim is ambitious: 90% coverage at national level and maintain at least 80% coverage at the district level. This ensures no child is left unprotected against deadly diseases. During the COVID-19 pandemic, while the world saw the worst continued decline in routine immunization coverage in 30 years, some countries notably held off declines, including Pakistan. Pakistan returned to pre-pandemic levels of coverage due to our successful COVID-19 vaccine rollouts and effective cold chain management. The 1166 Sehat Tahaffuz helpline became a critical resource for managing the COVID-19 pandemic and providing information on COVID-19 vaccines. Today, 1166 has come a long way and its portfolio is constantly growing and evolving to better serve the needs of the people of Pakistan. With information on routine immunization and the Expanded Program on Immunization, EPI, along with other health-related topics. In the face of devastating floods, competing priorities, and resource limitations, we have undertaken activities to strengthen immunization and scale innovative approaches to improve access and equity, therefore providing that high-level government commitment and significant catch-up immunization efforts can pave the way towards SDG 3. We're committed to maintaining an effective and efficient vaccine supply chain, guaranteeing the availability of potent vaccines when and where they're needed most. Facility-based vaccination is being enhanced with a special focus on addressing adverse events following immunization, AEFI, and implementing robust waste management systems. We're empowering communities, ensuring they understand the importance of vaccination and see it as their right. By fostering ownership and understanding, we're building a culture of immunization. Strengthening vaccine-preventable disease surveillance is crucial. With a robust surveillance and monitoring system in place, we can swiftly detect and respond to outbreaks, protecting communities from harm. To ensure sustainability, we're mobilizing resources and securing finances for our immunization efforts. This ensures that our programs remain resilient and effective in the long run. Integration is key. By embedding the EPI within primary healthcare services, we're ensuring that immunization becomes a seamless part of comprehensive healthcare delivery. We are partnering with different public and private sector organizations, including pediatric associations, Medical Association, Polio Eradication Program, telecom and other private companies to amplify the message of childhood vaccinations. Performance indicators reflect significant improvements in coverage rates, signaling progress towards goals. While progress is promising, there are still unvaccinated children. With your support, we can ensure every child in our country receives vaccinations, leaving no one behind. Let's unite to secure a healthier future for our children. Azm Hamara Ali Shan, Sehatmand Pakistan.
ये पैगाम फेडरल डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ इम्यूनाइजेशन, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ नेशनल हेल्थ सर्विसेज, रेगुलेशंस एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन और यूनिसेफ की जानिब से पेश किया गया है।